Earn $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $20,000 just to click on websites. So as you can see here, this website I will soon show you has a ton of different jobs that will pay you anywhere from 50 cents to $10 just by clicking on websites. And I want to show you proof here that this will work anywhere in the world in any country. So you can see this list here of all these people from all over the world who have earned money using this website as we speak. People are literally earning thousands and thousands of dollars from all over the world just by doing very basic tasks like clicking on websites. It's pretty incredible. I'm going to show you this website and walk you through how you can get started using it yourself. But before I reveal the name of the website, I want to explain what this is right here in front of us. This is the list of jobs we can pick from, and I want to show you the ones that you should pick. If we look here, you can see that these people will literally pay you 50 cents to submit your email and reply. That's just one of them. There are a bunch more ways you can earn money here. So just scroll down and take a look at all of these. And the ones that will pay you the most money, which are also the easiest and fastest options to earn from, are the ones where you just have to click on a single website. So this one right here is one of them I want you to focus on. All you have to do is visit the website, engage with it by scrolling up and down the site page, then take a screenshot to show proof that you actually visited the website. And just by doing that, you'll get paid $1. So if you would do that once every minute, you'll earn $60 for the next hour. It's so easy and straightforward, and there are so many different jobs and tasks on here that pay different amounts that you can choose to complete in literally less than a minute to get paid. And I showed you proof here that people are literally earning thousands of dollars or more using this website from anywhere in the world. So the name of this website is microworkers.com. So what I'd like you to do now is pay close attention as I'll be showing you how to set up your account. First, I want you to click here where it says register. That will redirect you here to this page where you'll be required to fill in some basic information. So just go ahead, pause this video, fill out all of this information, then come back and play this video for the next step. After you've filled in all of your information, then you will need to verify your account through your email. So go to the email you used to sign up for your account, look for an email sent to you by Microworkers and open it, then click the link in order to verify your account. Next, you will then click this button here to activate your account. After you've done that, this is what your main dashboard will look like. So now to access the jobs you can complete, just click on Jobs right here, then click on Most Paying to access the jobs that will pay you the most. And you can see here all of these different jobs you can choose from. So now you're probably wondering how much Microworkers actually get paid, who is paying them, and how you'll get paid out. I will answer all of these questions right now. So Microworkers is an innovative, international, online platform that connects businesses or employers with workers from all over the world. Their unique approach will guarantee employers that a task paid is a task successfully completed, while workers that successfully complete a job will get paid immediately. So the employers are online businesses, video channels, blogs, and more. So if you are the worker, you are going to be the one who is earning. And anyone can be a worker, whether you are someone who already has a full-time job, a part-time job, you're a stay-at-home mom, a student that needs some extra cash, or if you are someone who would just like to earn some extra cash on the side. So now you're probably wondering how much you will actually get paid on this website. How do you earn money? If you're looking for micro jobs, you will want to click on jobs like I mentioned previously, browse, then accept the job. After that, you will then want to actually perform the job. So in order to get paid up by Microworkers, you will need to have earned at least $9. And you can achieve that in literally less than 10 minutes if you wanted to. After you've met that $9 minimum threshold, you will then be paid out via Skrill, Dwolla, PayPal, local funds transfer, and more. PayPal and Skrill will definitely be the most popular. So completing jobs or tasks on Microworkers will be pretty easy and allow you to earn some decent money, but nothing life-changing or worth quitting your job for. If you'd like to actually start an online business that will allow you to quit your job and earn passive income for life, click the link in the video description below. It is by far my favorite way to make money online, and there is a free video training to break it all down for you. So check that out if you're interested. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.